Video coverage of ITEXPO is brought to you by Content Boost, the content marketing specialists. Amplify your sales today.
Hi, Eric Linask here at ITEXPO. On today's program, I have Core Telematics, Ken Connor. Ken, thanks for joining me.
Thanks for having us here, Eric.
So, obviously the M2M event here, very, very exciting, been very interesting. What are some of the latest things that are coming out of Core Telematics?
We've got a lot of developments going on at Core, but probably one of the more recent and more exciting is the addition of satellite services to our product offering. We've traditionally offered cellular carrier services. We've got 8 carrier partners now, but with our 2 satellite services, we're able to provide coverage in areas of the globe that just are not serviced or don't have reliable cellular service.
What drove that decision to expand into satellite services?
So a key part of our value proposition at Core is to provide multi-carrier options for our customers. And a natural evolution would be to step beyond the cellular coverage that we offer them and give them satellite because, statistics vary, but 80% of the globe isn't covered by cellular service.
Interesting. What are some of the applications that you're seeing?
We see it in a lot of different vertical marketplaces. Some of the more common ones right now are in the oil and gas and the heavy equipment industry, agricultural, waste monitoring, any sort of outdoor remote application lends itself quite well to cellular.
Any of the ones that you mentioned in particular that you're seeing extraordinary growth in?
Well, I would say both environmental and oil and gas right now. Heavy equipment has been an early adopter of satellite and continues to be a significant share of the market number of units. But with the focus on agricultural growth, and obviously most of it is off-grid, we see opportunities there as well as oil and gas and mining.
Sure. Tell me about the relationship that you have, the announcement with Inmarsat.
So Core has been working with a couple of satellite providers. We started out with Iridium with their short burst data solution, and that's an excellent solution for many M2M applications. It gives you true global coverage. One of the things that we've recently announced is our partnership with Inmarsat, who is another satellite provider, and Inmarsat uses a different technology and primarily services a different market segment where customers actually need fairly high bandwidth real-time communications. So this could be business continuity, it could be high data use applications. And so Inmarsat is very complementary to our customer base.
What's the reaction been from your customers regarding both the satellite services in general and more specifically the relationship with Inmarsat?
Well, many of our customers have adopted this dual mode approach where they have a cellular and a satellite modem built into the same piece of hardware. And so with that, these customers, in some cases, already have had relationships, but they've had to deal with multiple service providers to get those units activated and to maintain the connectivity. Many times they didn't have a platform available, so with the Core Prism Pro platform, the customer is able to consolidate all of those different connectivity solutions under a single relationship with a single platform. If they want to integrate with our API, it's the same API whether they're utilizing any of our cellular carriers or our satellite carriers. So the reception's been very strong from our customer base and it's continuing to expand.
Very good, very happy to hear that. Ken, thanks so much for joining us on today's program.
Thanks for having us.
Video coverage of ITEXPO is brought to you by Content Boost, the content marketing specialists. Amplify your sales today.